Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
Alright, so we've just got off the boat, literally just about 2 seconds ago. We've unloaded the bike. That right there is not a dog, it's a dingo. And it's very close. Far out, mate. Look at that, it's right next to us. Can't bloody find neutral. Oh, he's right there. It's filming. That's crazy. We've been on the island for 2 minutes. And there he goes. Mate, that's crazy. I think I figured it out. You can't. So you're sitting here.
Yeah.
Where are you looking?
Way ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wasn't doing that.
Staring down.
Because I catch something here, and then go like this, and that like puts my weight over the front.
Also, controversial now. You go over there, a lot easier.
Yeah, yeah. It's just the cars, like they were set on the right.
Yeah, but like, because you're a smaller bike, just get yourself on that.
Alright, sweet.
That's a lot harder.
Can I pull up there?
Yeah.
That's how you park a bike on a beach, by the way, because you can't use the center stand because it just sinks in. My God. Okay, so, woo! That's some of the craziest riding I've ever done. Yeah, I think up here we're gonna go turn inland. to cross over to the island to find our campsite. This island is so big though, it's going to take about 3 hours. So just about to turn in. It's about 30k, so I might get some of it, but I think most of it will be sort of slow riding, but I'll catch some of the greenery and the life. But yeah, it's exhausting stuff riding for this long. Definitely gonna have to take a few naps or pit stops to gain the energy back. Definitely a lot of water breaks. Whew. Let's head off. Just been from it's all gone wrong. Right, off we go. Okay, welcome back after like about a 30-minute nap. Had a drink and some food. We're actually in Happy Valley now and we are heading to Lake Boomerang. Well, I'm hoping we can swim because it's been a hot, long old day. Alright. That was close. Done wrong there because I'm not sure what either of us done wrong because I was going 30 and it didn't seem like they were going fast. They were coming up a hill, but I think maybe we just saw each other the last second. Hey, nothing happened, so I guess we should just keep on riding, forget about it. Maybe go a little slower than 30. Not sure which way we're going. I almost went straight into the front of that big car. I was like this.
Yeah.
We were both going 30. I think we just saw each other
It's
last
one of
night.
those things, mate. Nothing you can do.
Yeah, it was alright. It's good riding this though.
I bet,
Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, Jakob. Sounds Algerian. Right, let's.
We're at Boomerang Beach. The window is stuck open. Sammy broke it.
I didn't break it. Your car's defective, mate.
You have broken the car.
Right, so after some of the most spectacular riding I've ever done in my life, name. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful around here. It's just like stunning. We're going to, is it Boomerang Lakes?
I think so.
Boomerang Lakes. I'm not sure if you can swim in them, but I've taken all the gear off anyway because I'm absolutely dripping in sweat. It's going to be absolutely horrible putting it back on. But first off, let's go enjoy these lakes. Very excited to find out where this leads. But yeah, this so far has been an insane trip. We got off the ferry, 5 minutes, we pulled up straight away, took the bike off, saw a dingo, which came super close to us. We then saw a whale, and we saw this mad, like, looked like a sand tornado, I'm not too sure what it was. Yeah, really cool riding, amazing scenery, and now we get to go find a lake in the middle of this desert island off the coast of Australia. I mean, crazy. Right, so that was Boomerang Lakes. Honestly, honestly, I wouldn't recommend it. It's like super overgrown, and I don't think it's intended for like swimming or anything like that. Oh, there's also like 2 parking spots, so I think it's not a big tourist attraction sort of thing. But anyway, we're gonna head back down. I think it's about 45 minutes till we get to the campsite. Set up camp, I'll show you the setup, get some cool drone footage of the beach, and then that'll be it for the day. Have some dinner and get back to exploring tomorrow. I'll see you.